Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here, Matt with Green Bar Trading. I'm just going to go over what I was looking at on the QQQ in relation to Apple's stock and what made me take the market short today. So it was basically pretty close to the open. If we go on monitor here, could take a look. So I bought three puts here at 9:43, and I was all out in about 15 minutes. So that's not a bad profit. $43 is about 15% or so on the amount of money, capital that we used. So that's a pretty good return. Like I said, since I'm on vacation, I don't usually like to take too much risk, just enough so that it doesn't ruin a nice time. So that's 43 on the QQQ. And what was I looking at? So this right here, this is the last 10 days of trading. This is the 30-minute chart. And you can see we're really consolidating. That's what we're doing right now, which is very healthy. So after big moves, if we look at this on the 180 4-hour chart, you can see we've had really big moves, but we've consolidated, right? Then you have another big move, consolidation, another big move, consolidation, another bigger move, and then you get that consolidation. And that's what's been going on the last 2 weeks. All right. So a healthy uptrend on the QQQ. But the way that I was playing this was I was actually going short from a key level that we had. All right. So I looked at this over here. This is the way that I use this, taking trades so I can just look at different things. I was looking at Apple and we were following this right here. So if we zoom out on Apple, you can see very clearly that this has been a top 1, 2, 3, 4 days. So I thought going into today, if we couldn't break out of this, there was a good chance that Apple was going to come down. And what happens when Apple comes down? The market comes down, right? You can see here, this is the 1-minute chart on the Qs. This is the 5-minute chart on Apple. Apple comes up, tests its resistance, can't break out, and then a huge move down. At the exact same time, the QQQ moves in tandem with Apple because it's such a big weighting of the QQQ. Now, it just missed my alert that I had set here for 380.60 by 9 cents. So I was on the beach. This alert triggers. It lets me know that price is coming down to a key level and to watch it. Saw a lot of buyers here, big demand zone, and then the market ripped right back, but it missed my alert. So what I do when I'm on vacation or I'm not able to stay at the screens, you set alerts and it goes right to your phone. So it makes it super simple. But what I liked was Apple was rejecting that previous resistance. That's why I got short here on the QQQ. All right. That worked out really well. Ended up taking profit into this chop, got good entries, and then got all out. But I like to look at a huge stock like Apple. I like to watch if I'm trading the QQQ. All right. A lot of times the market is going to go with this one. And especially when we've had resistance this many days, the market, in my mind, is definitely just trying to wait for its earnings to come out. So this is probably going to consolidate and not really do much, but you have the top of that consolidation and the bottom. So you can always play short and longs here at support. So that's very simple way of using the QQQ with a big stock like Apple and taking some decent entries with multiple confluences. All right, hit the thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, guys.